Introducing the IQOO Neo 8 series, recently launched in China. This lineup consists of two models, the IQOO Neo 8 and IQOO Neo 8 Pro, succeeding the IQOO Neo 7. Sporting an elegant faux leather finish, these smartphones feature a punch-hole cutout for the selfie snapper, dual camera sensors housed in circular rings, and an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. The IQOO Neo 8 series offers an AMOLED display with a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, runs on Android 13 OS, and boasts a 50MP triple camera setup. Additionally, the series introduces the V1 Plus chip for enhanced photography and AI tasks. As for the pricing, the IQOO Neo 8 starts at 2,499 renminbi, approximately 29,400 rupees, while the IQOO Neo 8 Pro is priced at 3,299 renminbi, around 38,800 rupees. Both models come with multiple storage and RAM options. The smartphones will be available for purchase in China starting from May 31st. In terms of specifications, the IQOO Neo 8 series showcases a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, and the Neo 8 Pro model features slightly curved edges. Powering the devices are the Dimensity 9200 Plus processor and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 with Adreno GPU for the standard Neo 8. Both models offer up to 16 GB LPDDR5 RAM and up to 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage. Running on the latest Android 13 OS with Origin OS 3.0, these smartphones feature impressive camera capabilities. The IQOO Neo 8 includes a 50MP primary camera and a 2MP bokeh lens, while the Neo 8 Pro boasts a 50MP main camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle sensor. For selfies, there's a 16MP front-facing camera. Powering the devices is a 5000 mAh battery with 120W fast charging support. Other notable features include an in-display fingerprint sensor. Exciting times lie ahead for the IQOO Neo 8 series, and we can't wait to see how these smartphones perform. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews.